I am very excited because today I get to show you my new Mission Gold watercolor set. They are by Mijello in Korea, and they are absolutely beautiful. Plus the quality of the packaging is like no other set. You can tell you're getting a professional set just by unwrapping this thing. I'm going to be using the Alvin watercolor palette that I got recently. And this palette is also sold under other brand names. I think Fusion is one of those names, and I think that maybe Mijello also sells this palette under their brand name. The colors are very vibrant on this watercolor set. They practically have no binders compared to other colors. In other of my videos, you're going to see what happens to student watercolors when you pour them on a palette and leave them to dry. You can see how they shrink. Not so with this set. I did notice one thing though, and it's maybe because of the humidity of the room, but I noticed that the orange began to develop a little mold when I left it for a couple of days in the palette. However, I've had this palette now for a while and the mold never formed again. But anyways, it was very easy to remove, and now that has been a while since I've had them in a palette, I can tell you that mold has never formed on it again. Anyhow, the only thing that I didn't like was the combination of the set that I got and the palette that I got, because I could only put 24 colors in it. So I decided to buy an empty metal box palette, and you'll get to see that on my next video.